I'm Tim Taylor with Outbound Sailing, and I'm going to do an orientation for you on Texas Tack here. We're going to go through all the operation of the things down below, the power, the head, the galley, all of that kind of thing, so you'll know everything you need to know to be able to have a fun time out on the lake. So, first off, we're going to open up the lifeline gates here. These pull out at an angle here, and then we can take these and hook them onto the back here, get them out of the way, and then we can get on board. So come on, let's go aboard. Okay, so we're going to come back out here into the cockpit in a little bit. We're going to actually start down below, but while we're here, I want to show you getting the washboards out and where to stow them. So this is the starboard locker here, and down in here we have two fire extinguishers, and we'll look at the rest of the stuff that's in here in just a little bit. But now to get the washboards out, if you take them out one by one and bring it around here, and then just lay it down in there, then this one comes in on the outside of that one. This one goes on the outside of that one, on the far side there, and this one goes in last. You notice that these are kind of chamfered. The whole reason for that is so that rain hitting the washboards will just run off there. So if you get them sort of turned around, it's kind of awkward sometimes to get them back in. So we'll look at those again in a little bit. Okay, so let's go on down below. Okay, so here we are down below on Texas Tack. We're going to go through here, look at all the various equipment that's on board, and give you a real good orientation on how all of that stuff works. So, as a bareboat club member, what that means is that you charter the boat on a regular basis or infrequent basis, however you happen to want to use the boat, and it's a pay-per-use kind of program. You already know that kind of information, otherwise you wouldn't need this orientation. But I just want to re-emphasize that. So you can have a great time on a boat without paying a heck of a lot of money. Let's talk about responsibilities and the benefits of being a bareboat club member. So on Texas Tack, you get to use the boat, you get to schedule it, you know when you schedule it. We have a check-on, check-off system that we're going to talk about also. You'll be able to reserve the boat and use it when you want. The responsibilities are not huge. There's really just a couple of things. One is, if you make a mess, clean it up. Okay? We don't expect you to wash the boat or put oil in it or gas or anything like that. If you make a mess, clean it up. That's all there is there. And the other thing is just to take care of the boat. And what I mean by that is avoid breaking stuff. Now, if you go through this orientation, I'm going to be showing you things that can easily get broken and how to avoid that. When you bring guests on board, they're not going to know, most of the time, they're not going to know how this operates, that you have to unlatch this, or that you can't put too much force on this thing or the other thing. Things are different on a boat. And until they learn that kind of stuff, you don't want them operating it. And so I'll touch on those things as we go through. Okay?